Meteorite hunters have found the first pieces of the fireball that streaked across the sky in Michigan this week. Accompanied by a flash and a sound like thunder, the space rock entered Earth's atmosphere northwest of Detroit on Tuesday night. Based on information from NASA, researchers are now looking for rare pieces of meteorite in the area of Hamburg Township in the southeastern part of the state. Some fragments of the 6-foot-wide rock have already been spotted, according to reports. We are happy and excited to report, 2 meteorites from the January 16 fall have been found in Michigan today. Congratulations to Robert Ward and Larry Atkins on the first 2 reported finds, the American Meteor Society tweeted Thursday. The Detroit Free Press reports that Ward found 3 meteorites in less than 4 hours on a frozen lake at Hamburg Township. The first meteorite found was reportedly the size of a pecan, with a third about the size of a walnut. Potentially hazardous asteroid bigger than Earth's tallest building will zoom past U.S. next month. NASA reports that the meteoroid entered Earth's atmosphere above the southeastern part of Michigan, just to the northwest of Detroit. The fireball was so bright that it was seen through clouds by our meteor camera located at Oberlin College in Ohio, about 120 miles away, explained NASA's Meteor Watch, in a Facebook post. A meteoroid is a small chunk of asteroid, a comet. When it enters Earth's atmosphere it becomes a meteor fireball, a shooting star. The pieces of rock that hit the ground, valuable to collectors, are meteorites. The Michigan meteor has been defined as a superbolide, or particularly bright meteor. NASA estimates that the meteor was traveling at 36,000 miles per hour. We have discovered that this meteor traveled almost straight down through the atmosphere, which is unusual for a meteorite dropper. The entry angle was only 21 degrees from the vertical, it explained, on Facebook. The peak brightness of the fireball has been measured to be magnitude 17, which is the lower limit for a superbolide. Full moon is magnitude 12 and the sun is magnitude 27. The Michigan rock was too small to be tracked. It exploded in the air with the power of 100 tons of TNT, said Bill Cook of NASA's Meteoroid Environment Office. NASA test fires rocket engine with 3D PRINTED shock absorber for deep space missions. Such was the power of the meteor that it measured 2.0 on the U.S. Geological Survey's seismic monitors. The American Meteor Society received hundreds of reports of a fireball Tuesday night over the state, including many in the Detroit area. Reports also came in from several other states and Ontario, Canada. Depending on their size and material, meteorites can be lucrative finds. Because meteorites are so scarce, they are priced and sold by the gram, explains the Meteorlab website. Common iron meteorite prices are generally between 50 cents and $5 per gram, according to Meteorlab. Stone meteorites, however, are much scarcer and priced between $2 and $20 per gram. A type of stone iron meteorite called a palisite is of the greatest interest to private collectors, according to Geology.com. The Associated Press contributed to this article. Follow James Rogers on Twitter at James Rogers.